Elf Beauty is down 67% from its recent high. Is right now the best time to buy? That is the question we're going to be answering in this video, and we're going to answer this question by using the Fibonacci retracement tool. So if we have a look at the price here, we can see that from around this low, price started going up to this point, and then we saw this retracement. So if we draw this Fibonacci tool from that low to this high, we can get some useful insights. So the way this Fibonacci retracement tool works is when stock prices start retracing, they usually find support at one of these Fibonacci levels. And we can see that ELF has recently found support at this level. However, something we tend to see is the price coming down to test support levels multiple times. So a price that you could consider getting into this stock or averaging down at is $63. The retest could look something like this, and getting in at the second touch would increase your chances of catching the low before the price moves up. However, if you want more confirmation that the price is about to move up, then you could get in when we start seeing some bullish movement after this retest. That would increase your entry price slightly, but the chances of the price continuing to go up is significantly higher once we start seeing some bullish movement from this support level. So that's another entry you could consider. So that's the entry side of things. However, getting a good entry is only the first step. It's equally as important to have an exit strategy in place. And we can get an exit strategy using this Fibonacci extension tool. Before we get into that, you might be wondering whether I'm currently holding ELF or if I'm looking to invest in this stock. And the answer is the majority of my portfolio is built around a strategy that's been absolutely game-changing for me over the past few years. This strategy is tracking trades made by US politicians, because over the years I've found that following their investment delivers returns that completely blow traditional strategies out of the water. If you're curious about how I do it and how you can too, I've put together a free video that walks you through everything. You'll learn how to spot trades right when key politicians make their move, and also see what kind of returns this strategy has delivered over the last 3 years. If this is something you want to learn more about, the link to the free video is in the description below. So coming back to the Fibonacci extension tool, if we go from this low up to this high, pulling it down to where this retracement has ended here, we get this. And what we tend to see with this tool is the price finding resistance at these key Fibonacci levels. We can see that has happened multiple times with this ELF stock. Knowing that price could face significant pressure at these levels, what investors following the Fibonacci like to do is they like to lock in some profits at these key Fibonacci levels. So what are some levels you might want to consider taking some profits at? The first level you might want to consider locking in some profits is here. This is $148. The next level is around here, and this is $182. And the level above this is here. This is $207. So taking some profits as the price climbs up to these levels is an exit strategy you can consider. I'll be making update videos as the price gets to these key levels, so if you want to stay up to date, consider subscribing to the channel. Also, if you want to see the analysis of any specific stocks, then feel free to leave those in the comment section below and I'll make a video around those. And if you found this video helpful, please consider hitting the like button. That helps the channel reach more people interested in this content. It's also worth mentioning I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice, so please make sure you do your own research and your own analysis before you make any investment decisions. That brings us to the end of the video. If you want to learn how to profit like a politician, then the link to the video is in the description below. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.